have been practicing drifting. My first ever German car that I brought. I've still got the Civic Type R. It's a daily car.
Has he recorded himself good, Steve?
It's been such a long time since I've documented any sort of video. Well, I have been documenting videos, but I just haven't posted any sort of video in such a long time. It's probably about 9 months, give or take. But wow, where I am right now, I have got my own place. I've got a unit, well, a portable unit. It's getting there. It's a few bars and stuff. But yeah, what can I say? Wow, it's been such a long time. I'm gonna say straight to the point. The last 8 months before, when this lockdown's happened, like, praise be to the Lord, it's given me a big realization of what's more important to me and what isn't. And before, I was doing all these reviews and I was reviewing cars. I was getting so much into the reviews that I was going into people's passionate performance cars, and it just blew my mind of how much people go to the extent of modifying their cars. And then when I was reviewing them and I was driving them, I was like, wow, this is crazy. This is exactly what I want. I want to enjoy my own car and modify my own car. And I got so busy, I got distracted. I was just doing reviews, and I know that that's not me. That's not what I don't enjoy. So here I am, 8 months later, and this is what I want to do now. I really enjoy getting salvage cars, damaged cars, fixing them up and learning on the way. And my main purpose and intention is to help people and document my journey. And that's all I want to do. But let's give you guys a bit of an insight. And yeah, so I mean, I've still got the Lexus. It is still a drift car. I have been practicing drifting. It is the winter drive, shall I call it, the winter daily, because let's face it, in the UK we've got all sorts of salt and grit, and this is the best car to collect it because it's made to drift. And yeah, so I mean, I will be documenting videos about this car. I have been doing a bit of drifting on this car, and I've learned so much on how to control a car with this car. It's crazy what you can do with 150 brake horsepower. But yeah, I mean, I'll open the car. I mean, I do have the keys and everything, but yeah, I can't wait to touch up on this car, because it does need a new thermostat, needs new coolant, and it just needs an overall clean up and tidying up, because with drifting cars, you need to be ahead of the game with the cars like this. And yeah, I bet you're all probably thinking, yeah, I mean, Audi German car, my first ever German car that I brought. The reason why I bought this car is because it's a donor car. I bought it because I thought I was going to fix it. There was a turbo was being knackered on this car, but then I thought there's another Audi that I've seen on the salvage site, and then I acquired that, and I'm going to use these parts to fix salvage Audi A3s. I mean, it's a new learning curve for me, and that's exactly what I want to do, and it's crazy. I've still got the Civic Type R. It's a daily car, and there's a lot of things I need to do on this car. I need a new disc brakes and pads, and it's still got the damage in the wing, and it's still got damage in the front bumper. And yeah, I just can't wait to start working on my own cars, and that's what I enjoy, and that's what I'm passionate about. Recently acquired a BMW 325 Ti Compact. It's apparently 190 brake horsepower. I bought it for such a good price, but it has problems. The engine gasket is leaking. There's an engine management light on the car. But this is what it is. This is what I want to learn about these cars. I want to fix these cars, and I locked the car. But and I want to document these cars, and I just can't wait to be doing these things. And yeah, that's it. I've still got the Nissan Skyline. It's been parked up for the past 6 months. I have been driving it, and I just can't wait to be working on the cars and the Skyline and getting that back to update and blowing out the cobwebs, because it's been such a long time, and I don't want to jump into it and just doing reviews, and because I just feel like that's not me, and what I really enjoy is just working on cars, fixing cars and modifying cars, and that's what I'm passionate about, and that's exactly what I want to let people learn and see my journey and the mistakes that I make, and it's all to help people. And the most important thing what I realized in the last 8 months since the lockdown happened is give me a big realization that I want to appreciate the time I have with family and friends, and appreciating the time I've got in experiencing the cars that I've got. I'm so lucky to be able to have cars like this. So I don't know what else to say, but I'm looking forward to been doing this, and I'd say the next video is going to be about the German car, and I got a lot to say about that and a lot to learn and a lot of things to explain. But this is my journey, this is the story, and God willing it will be a very positive one. So yeah, thank you very much, and peace, slams.